Do you want a tayuyo? By Gustavo Cerda Sáenz. A good tayuyo fills me up with pride. What is a tayuyo? They say. Do you want to make them? It's a great ride. It is a type of tamales, like those we eat today. Yes, they are, but they are stuffed with beans, very well fried. Oh, that sounds good. How big are they? I make them small, but they can be bigger if you like. Hello, how are you? My name is Gustavo, and today I would like to explain to you how to make tayuyos. Tayuyos are a very small traditional tamal that we use for parties or for other special occasions. Luis Gonzalez explains in his book about Costa Rican cuisine, published in 2016, that the word tayuyo means conflict or wrapping. It means to be involved in a difficult situation. Tayuyos are very small tamales, generally used for parties, and they're very flavorful. They're very easy to make and very delicious. Tayuyos usually take uh, corn flour, mashed potatoes, with some spices that you use to mix the ingredients, and they are wrapped in banana leaves and aluminum foil. If you ever go to a party, you generally expect to be given some delicious food. And many times after December, we go to the rosaries. People are used to praying the rosary in Catholic churches or Catholic houses, and they serve tamales. And one of the most delicious things to eat are tayuyos. They are very, very easy to make and very easy to eat. I would like to explain to you about the ingredients. Ingredients to make tayuyos. For the dough, 1 kilo of yellow corn flour, 1 kilo of mashed yellow potatoes, 2 bars of margarine, 5 liters of chicken broth seasoned with salt, black pepper, Tabasco sauce, mustard, and Lisano sauce to your taste. For the stuffing, 1 kilo of fried bean dip approximately. For the wrapping, banana leaves already cleaned and aluminum foil. Once you have the ingredients, you need to be prepared to make the tamales. The tayuyos, you need to mix the corn flour with mashed potatoes in enough liquid made with chicken broth. And then you season it with the ingredients that I explained, like Tabasco sauce, Lisano sauce, mustard, um, salt, pepper to your taste. You mix everything, and then you need to prepare the beans. The beans have to be very well prepared, and you also season them with whatever spice that you would like. Then you take a piece of banana leaves, and then you take a piece of aluminum foil. You put a little bit of the dough like a tortilla, and then you put the beans, and then you wrap them, right? to make like a small taco. To be successful with the preparation of tayuyos, follow the procedures. It's very easy to make them, and you can be creative. You can combine the fried beans with anything that you would like ground beef or tuna fish if you want. And be careful because when you cook the tayuyos, you need to put them in a pan with hot water, boiling water for about 2 hours. Then they are ready to be eaten. So just remember, corn flour, mashed potatoes with seasoning things or spices, and then you will have a delicious meal for Christmas or for other occasions. So if you enjoy eating tamales, remember that tayuyos are one of the best options that you can have. They are very easy to make, very cheap to make because the ingredients are also very cheap. And also, you are going to have a very happy group of people enjoying the tamales that you make for them. Thank you very much and enjoy.